Hey, I'm Bipin Singh with ServiceNow. So, if you're already running RaptorDB Pro, you know what it does best. Faster transactions, faster reports against your ServiceNow data. That's RaptorDB Pro Live Perform. And it matters even more now with AI agents hammering on your data all day long. And here's what's new this summer in RaptorDB Pro. With RaptorDB Pro Live Connect, your BI tools like Power BI, Tableau, Looker, and our recent acquisition Pyramid Analytics directly connects to your ServiceNow data. No need to export to a warehouse first, no dashboards with yesterday's stale data, all your ServiceNow data always live in BI tool that your teams are used to. With RaptorDB Pro Live Archive, you can archive historical data without shipping it off to archival services. It stays on the platform, governed, queryable, and not inside cold storage with retrieval delays. Always available when you need it immediately, whether that's an AI use case or an audit request. Take a SecOps customer sitting on tens of millions of vulnerability items. RaptorDB Pro keeps years of that data live and queryable for AI model training, CISO dashboards, and audit requests without the overhead of moving data around. These capabilities are creating real business value for customers like you. A leading telecom player is using Live Connect to cut reporting overhead and tighten security posture. No more duplicate data or fragile pipelines. A quick serve restaurant is archiving over 1 million records a day with Live Archive, managing store assets and cutting storage costs in half. And a major retailer is running Live Perform, Live Connect, and Live Archive together as the foundation for their real-time analytics and AI push. RaptorDB Pro isn't just a performance booster anymore. It's the data foundation for the agentic future. Please contact your account team to learn more and discuss what RaptorDB Pro can do for your organization.